Hello viewers, in today's 1 minute class we will know about the Hatch tool and how to use a Hatch tool. What is a Hatch tool? Hatch tool basically is the tool that helps you fill in the patterns in an enclosed shape. So if you want to fill a rectangle and you want to show it as a concrete foundation, what you will do, you will start a Hatch command. You can start a Hatch command from a draw toolbar. You can come here to the draw toolbar and you will see this one. When you hover over it, it will come up as a hatch. When you click it, you will see that some of the options are open in above ribbon. Okay, so what you will do, you can select the pattern that you want for the shape that you want to fill in. Okay, the other thing you will do, you will select the object. You can do it by selecting the object like this. Okay, if the shape is enclosed and it is a single object, then you can just select the object itself. Okay, like I selected this, see it's already filled in, and I will select this oval shape, I will select this circle, I will select this polyline. Okay, you can fill in the pattern in an enclosed shape by just selecting the object like this. When you are done with selection of the object, you will press enter. Now there is one more option. Let's say I have these lines. Okay, I cannot just select the lines, all the lines like this, because they are all separate segments. Okay, it's not a single object, they are all separate objects. So for this, what I will do, I'll start a hatch command by pressing H. By pressing H, you will start a H command. I will press enter. When I press enter, see, if I select the line, it will select each line one by one. It will not be same as it was for the single object closed shapes. So for this one, what I will do, I will just select this one, pick points. When I select the pick points option, I will click inside this enclosed shape and I will press enter. Now you can see that I have created a hatch like this, and I have created hatch for all these shapes also. So if you see that when I select one of the hatch, it will select all of them all together. So there is one option when you are starting the hatch tool. Okay, you can come here. When you start the hatch tool, you can come here and click on this option button and select this one, separate hatches. When you select this one, now you see all your hatches that were all connected together as a single hatch. Now they're all separated from each other. So viewers, this was our class about the hatch tool. You can also change the hatch patterns whenever you want later on. This was our class about the hatch tool for today. See you in the next class with a new tool.